What is up guys, BeardedReality here. So today we're in Oxfordshire and I'm with Mr. Mickey and we are going to be doing the so-called Swan time cap, a big farmhouse kind of thing. Now, I've already cooked myself, it's already one of those things, it's pitch black, it's absolutely chucking it down with rain and yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Do like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, we're just going to crack to it. Alright, here we go. So, we're kind of lost at the moment. It is, like I said, it's so rainy.
So much stuff here, isn't there?
There is, like, it's a full-on place. You just kind of let me get like a minute of respite with the rain.
Back down again.
Yeah.
Like Blair Witch Project.
Have you seen this old thing?
Like
you notice how it's like really pitch black now? It's super creepy, isn't it?
yeah.
As soon as it was light before. Now there is quite a few hidden cars here and bits.
There's any cars back over here.
Well, here look, you got the old tractor just chilling out. You found that old truck? That looks newer, doesn't it?
I was thinking it
Oh, it's a fridge. Ricky, it's a fridge truck. Look, left.
Yeah,
Temperature controlled.
Crazy. There's definitely old machinery here.
Oh yeah, it is. It's a full-on farm. You almost go.
Really?
Yeah, look over there, look.
Jesus.
There, look. Got all those cars. Look, there you go. All that stuff's open there, look. Big, was that an owl?
Yeah.
Let's see that big white cow under there.
Isn't it?
Cow up there as well. Let me get round that side, mate. I feel like there's a lot of, yeah, go off the van. There's a lot actually left here, it seems. We'll still go in the van, huh? Oh, you just kicked me.
To stay your distance to
Oh yeah, well yeah, well, it's nice and warm in here.
Oh, what ladders that you can climb through.
Ah, is that what it is?
I think so. That cart.
Yeah, is that a bone? Oh, no it's not.
That cart, that.
It's full of wood, isn't it?
Little bike. Is it?
Yeah, these bikes are old. We've already noticed another bike, which is pretty G'd out already.
Nice building.
Yeah, look, yeah.
Yeah, I can see it there.
Yeah, you see it? The old door bit there.
Get ladders.
Yeah, that's how they do it, aren't they?
Over here.
What? Hey, wait, there's ladders everywhere here, mate.
Which one do we take?
I found some old Grundies. There's a spoon.
It's a bit softer than before, I don't know. Like a...
I don't know, they're kind of bent, mate.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? What about the door? Hey, look at this!
Wow, that's a proper old piece of machinery.
Hey, it's really old, that, isn't it?
Got cogs on
It's
it.
made out of wood.
It's like a conveyor belt on it.
Yeah.
So when you
Oh,
might
it
be
is,
doing
yeah.
potatoes and stuff,
Oh, damn.
it's got like handles on it, it's not even like fingered. So
No, that is really old, actually. Because they would have done that by metal, wouldn't they? So what you took? They're all metal nowadays. Let's see if we can get through here then. I mean, it looks like an openable door. Yeah. It's just stuck on something. It's stuck on the door itself.
Okay.
Oh, it's on the field. Go for that one. Mickey, it goes onto that other farmer's field. This way. I understand why it was bad on the other side then. I understand why it was bad on the other side then. No. Oh, that hurt. It's so freaky, isn't it?
Yeah, especially at night now.
Oh yeah, hopefully we've done one like this for a while.
Well closed.
Oh, caravan here. And about. Well, there's stuff back here, but my hat went. There's something over there, Mickey. Hold that. That will open, it's locked. Hold that. The hat went.
Cut with our wet camera, isn't it?
That's fine, go both, yeah. Right. There's definitely something over here. I'm going to switch. Did you zip up my bag?
Go again.
Did you zip up my bag? I gotta go.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's that yard there. Oh, it's chucking it down, man. So you do have here, look, this old... I wonder if it's that.
Go again.
There's like an old tractor in there. Look, see this old school bike?
Rally. Pursuit.
And you've got this car here. So you can tell that it's abandoned, because look, like somebody's come in and smashed this. There's no colour in there, man. Farmers Weekly over there.
It's shaming it.
Let's go this way. It's a really weird one, isn't it? Like, we think it's been recently bought, it probably... Nah, it's not how they've done it, mate. I'm telling you. They're all boards, though.
That one's open, mate.
Look.
You're not, sorry. Yeah, look.
That's not how people are getting in, though. That's not how people are getting in, though, because it's down. People are getting in for that because the board will be off. If they were. Do you know what I mean?
I think that's my part of you.
Roundabout, what's that? I'm very confused. You know? Like that's... You know how it's some of it's been protected and then you've got other bits, yeah?
Yeah.
Like here you've got new locks on. And then going all the way around here. You've got another bike here, Mickey. These bikes for days.
These bikes, isn't it?
I don't know.
Let me try that window there and see what it's like.
Shine this on me. Shine this on me. So, to be honest, dudes, like, this one's really weird. I don't think it's open at the moment. And, you know, it's absolutely chucking it down. So we're going to head out. We're going to do something else. We're going to come back here at some point and we'll see. I'm going to find out a bit more information. The place is crazy, apparently. But again, it just looks like it's been recently sealed. I don't really know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Bit of rain mischief and whatnot. Yeah, do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the video soon. Peace. I'm out.